In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average to RSI in TradingView. First, open your chart in TradingView. Any symbol and time frame will work. So use whatever you normally analyze. We'll start by adding a moving average to the chart itself. At the top of the chart, click the Indicators button. In the search bar that appears, type moving average or choose your preferred type, like exponential moving average. Click it to add it to your chart. You'll see the moving average appear on the main price pane, running over your candles. Next, we'll add the RSI. Click the Indicators button again at the top. Type RSI, then select Relative Strength Index. This opens the RSI in its own pane, typically below the main price chart. Now we're going to place the moving average on top of that RSI, so it smooths the oscillator instead of the price. Find the moving average line or its label on your main chart. You have two simple ways to move it. The first is to click and drag the moving average line down into the RSI pane until you see it highlight. Then release. The second is to right-click the moving average label. Choose Move To and select Existing Pane above. Either method will relocate the moving average so it sits directly on top of the RSI, following the RSI's values rather than price. With the moving average now on the RSI, let's make it easier to read. Click the small gear icon on the moving average indicator to open its settings. Here, adjust the length to your preference. A 9-period EMA is a popular choice for a responsive, yet smooth line. Shorter lengths react faster to momentum changes but can be choppier, while longer lengths are smoother and slower. You can also change the color and line thickness to create clear contrast with the RSI line. The goal is instant readability, so pick a style that stands out without overwhelming the pane. That's it. Thanks for watching.